Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. As you all know that today's assignment we are doing chapter number 5 in English language, which is on the topic of nouns and kinds of nouns. Okay, so yesterday, as I have explained you the topic of nouns in part 1 video without using book, and in second part video I have given you one notebook exercise, as well as in the same manner today also in part 1 video I have explained you the topic of kinds of nouns without using book, and in this video, part 2 video, I will be giving you book exercises. But make sure first of all I will be giving you today only the topic of kinds of nouns to be written in your notebooks. Okay, the introduction part of kinds of nouns. So are you all ready for your introduction part? Very good. So for that you have to take out your English language notebooks and turn to a new page so that we can start with that work. Okay. As you all know that whenever we start with a new topic or a new chapter, we start it from a new page. So we are starting with a new topic of kinds of noun today. So it will be started from a new page. So first of all, you will write down today's date. But before starting with this video, children, I want to show you the work which I gave you yesterday in English language notebook. So this was your three pages work which I gave you yesterday, in which first of all I gave you the definition of noun with its examples. Okay, and then I gave you one exercise in which I have given you some words, and you have to arrange them accordingly to the category where it should be placed. Okay, if the word is to be placed in persons column, place column, animal column, or thing column. So this was yesterday's work which I gave you in English language notebook. So I hope you all have completed that, and please children, those who have not completed, make sure that you complete this work first of all very carefully, and then only start with your new work which is given today. Okay, so first of all you will write down today's date, that is 10/7/2021. In the first line you will give the heading chapter number 5, nouns, kinds of nouns. This is the name of our chapter. Then coming to the next line, in which you will write the heading part C, as we have completed till B part yesterday. So today we are going to do part C. Okay, so in part C we are going to do kinds of nouns. So for the introduction part first, children, in this page you have to make this cloud like this, as I have made. In this same manner, very neat work I want in your notebooks. Okay, in this first cloud you will write down kinds of nouns. This cloud will show that how many kinds of nouns are there. So you all know that there are three kinds of nouns. First one is proper noun, second one is common noun, and the third one is collective noun. Is that clear? So first of all, after making this cloud, okay, and writing the heading of kinds of nouns in this cloud, you will draw three separate lines with the help of a scale. Okay, straight three lines you will make in the form of in a separate way, scattered way. Okay, तीनों तरफ अलग अलग three lines आपको draw करनी है, and from that three lines again draw three clouds, small clouds, not very big clouds. Okay, and in those three clouds just write down the first type, that is proper noun. In the second cloud just write the second type, which is the common noun, and in the third cloud write collective noun. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this first part. So children, I hope you all have understood what you have to do in this page. First of all, you will draw this cloud in which you will write kinds of nouns, and then you will draw three lines, separate lines, okay, scattered in the scattered way. And in the first cloud you will write proper noun, then in the second cloud you will write common noun, and in the third cloud you will write collected noun. So these are three kinds of nouns. Is that clear? Now turn the page. You will draw that diagram, okay, on the first page only, and other things you will not write, anything you will not write on this page. In the next page, turn the next page and put a star like this, and then write proper noun. Okay, now here we are going to write the definition of proper noun. So listen to it carefully. The name given to a particular person, place, एनिमल और थिंग इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन। प्रॉपर नाउन की डेफिनेशन क्या है कि किसी भी पर्टिकुलर नेम अगर दिया जाता है किसी पर्सन को, प्लेस को, एनिमल को या थिंग को, that is known as proper noun. Then in the next line you will write down, again you will draw a star and you will write down proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Proper noun किससे start होता है? हमेशा capital letter से. Okay, now again put a full stop and then in the next line you will give the heading of example. Okay, draw an arrow and give the heading example and you will write some examples of proper noun like India, I will be in capital letter. Ganga, name of a river, you will write in capital G. Diwali, name of a particular festival, you will write with capital D. Then the Ramayan, name of a holy book, you will write with capital T and R. Okay, etc. So these are some proper nouns, examples of proper nouns which you will write here. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood this page also. Now coming to the next page, next topic, that is common noun. Again you will draw a star and you will write down common nouns are the names of people, animals, places or things of the same kind. एक से kind के name of अगर पर्सन है, पीपल है, एनिमल्स हैं, प्लेसेस है या थिंग्स हैं, उनके सेम काइंड के नाम को हम कॉमन नाउन बोलते हैं. लाइक गर्ल, तो पर्सन में या पीपल में गर्ल आता है, बॉय आता है, बट वी हैव नॉट डिस्क्राइब्ड द पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ अ बॉय और गर्ल. सो ओनली बॉय एंड गर्ल तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. दिस इज अ कॉमन नेम यूज्ड फॉर अ पर्सन, गर्ल और अ बॉय. सो इट विल कम इन योर कॉमन नाउन. ओके, एनिमल्स, प्लेसेस और थिंग्स जिनका कोई पर्टिकुलर नाम नहीं है, एक पर्टिकुलर कोई नाम ना दे के उनको सेम काइंड में रखा गया है, दैट इज नोन एज कॉमन नाउन. एंड देन इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन यू विल राइट कॉमन नाउन्स बिगिन विथ स्मॉल लेटर्स. ओके, हमेशा कॉमन नाउन हम कैसे लिखते हैं? स्मॉल लेटर्स में. Is that clear to you all? Then in the next line again you will give the heading of examples and you will write here some examples of common noun like girl, flower, city, country, river, day, etc. Now girl is a common noun, category of people. Flower is also a common noun. City is also a common noun. Country is also a common noun because we have not given a particular name of a country, river or day. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this also. Now coming to the last part, turn the page on each page of each topic. Okay, you will not write anything one after another. एक पेज पे आपको proper noun लिखना है, एक पेज पे common noun और last पेज पे collective noun. Now put a star again and write the heading collective nouns. What you will write, collective nouns. After writing the heading you will write the definition of collective noun, that what is collective noun. Collective nouns are collective nouns are word for groups of people, animals or thing. collective nouns क्या है? वो word जो groups के लिए यूज किए गए हैं. किसके group के लिए? people के, मतलब लोगों का कोई ग्रुप है उसके लिए जो वर्ड यूज होगा वो कलेक्टिव नाउन है. एनिमल्स के ग्रुप को, थिंग्स के ग्रुप को वी जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई इट एज. Line you will again put a star and you will write the heading example and then you will give some examples of collective nouns like army. Army is a group of soldiers. Bouquet is the word used for a group of flowers. Okay, bunch is a word used for a group of keys. Fleet is the word which is used for a group of ship. Okay, herd is a word which is used for a group of cattle, and team is a word which is used for a group of players, okay, which make a team, and etc. So I hope you all have understood all these three topics very clearly. Now in this you all have understood everything very clearly. Now because tomorrow is Sunday, so I want you all to complete this week's work according to date. Just write all your, those who have missed the work, please do all your work, complete it very neatly and nicely. And next till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home.